John, look. Gillian, come out the way. Come out the way. Just stand back here. 30.
Oh, it's because they're gonna eat. Look at that hair.
I know, right?
Alright, let's go.
Give him some of your hand.
There's no bar.
Yeah.
Oh, a butterfly. Oh. We can go home now. We saw everything.
We
saw the butterfly.
Yeah, we got these olive Steve roasted that crappy here. They got snacks on them out of the water.
You got what? Yeah, I saw this.
Of all places. Cracker Barrel. Damn cute stuff.
Oh, right here, look. Leopard.
We're at like $29 now.
Nope. Look for the leopard over here. Oh, there it is. It's up there. Top right. Going left.
Oh, I see him. Gio would be really good at word Waldo.
Yeah, right?
There's another one.
On the other side. Yeah, but this one we can see.
Other wildlife you're going to find around here are also our baboons, a lot of monkeys, woodchucks, aviators, honey badgers, and much more. But now, coming up to your right side will be the Australian outback, which is the most spectacular koala. It is one koala per tree.
I saw two getting marked.
This is what I want to see. Look at those eyes.
Oh, there he is. Let's wait right here. That's crazy to think that
Ants, right?
gate is.
There's ants everywhere.
What's up, dude?
Oh, look at.
Watch out, John. There's a whole bunch right there on your left.
John, don't lean on those.
Get over here. There's ants on this thing. Let me see its face.
I think it's probably going to come back. It goes up there and then it'll come back around.
If Safari is more spread out than this, I'm glad we didn't go.
Is it really?
It's like, I think it's like way, it's like 4 times bigger.
All right. Actually, you're gonna use both your hands. Let go.
Oh, walking? Yeah.
Let go.
I thought the
Just be careful.
You can sit, but the free one isn't a good deal.
It's a lot of birdies. So many birdies.
So they would have been $200. Each of us $200. I know, we would have split it. I know, so it's 200 times 6.
All right. Later.
Oh, so it's $200 per person. To get the VIP deal. So 200 divided by 4. So 200. So 1,200 divided by 4. You want daddy?
She wants to wash her hands. Madagascar. Hey, get back, because there's ants right there. Don't touch anything right here. These are all ants. Look over here. It's hanging out on the trees and stuff. Don't touch this because there's ants right there. You can get close, just don't touch anything. Oh, there's another one up there.
Yeah, there's a lot of another one. Daddy.
Oh, that's nice.
Madagascar
Daddy,
forest.
see what? What's right there, Daddy?
What, baby?
What's right there?
Oh, yeah.
I want to draw.
Look, he's here right there. Look.
Maybe don't touch the railing.
Oh, look at this thing. Look, they're sleeping right there.
Indirectly, we own some of this. AT&T. I paid into AT&T. This is part yours.
Oh my gosh, that's probably what happened.
Yeah, we all own a share. Wow. Look at the wonderful things that we're doing. Look at that.
Whoa. Be careful right here. Slippery.